What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with, of course, high beams and turn signals, of course. There's 2 tow hooks on the front bumper along with 2 fog lights. Front and rear bumpers are chrome, and there is a color matching grille with honeycomb inside it and a nice Ram badge there in the middle. Come to the side here, the Ram 1500 is running on 20-inch MotoMaster total terrain mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction, and it's running on blacked out rims. There's mud flaps behind all 4 tires. There's running boards on both sides of this truck, so you and your passengers can easily get inside the interior. Black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors are breakaway, and they're heated mirrors as well, so heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. Built-in LED turn signal lights in the mirrors too. Nice badging. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. This truck also has power folding in mirrors. Just hit this button here and the mirrors fold in like so. In case you need to park in a tight parking spot, press the button again and they fold back out. Very nice. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. Good looking styling. Got a Ram badge there. Move inside. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. Cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats. And you have adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall or person you are, you can adjust those to your most comfortable. Nice big Ram badge here in the middle. Nice place for arms to rest. Grab this chrome handle, lift this open. Large storage area right here. There's a change holder. And there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, SD card port, connect to your media so you can play music through those ports. And there's also another USB port right there. And if you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides here so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower here. Large storage area down below here. Enough space in here you can easily put a football in there and have space for more things. You put some pens there or anything you want. There's 2 big cup holders here in the middle. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet, cell phone holder, lots of space in the middle here for many different things. You got nice styling there as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands. The tilt steering wheel too. Automatic headlamps so you can set it and forget it with the dimmer knob. That button there will turn on the box lights. Fog light button there. Directional air vent which you can close and open. Handle here so you, the driver, can easily get into the driver's seat. And there's a pocket on the side of the middle console here for anything that you want. Let's go take a look in the back seat. This door opens up nice and wide so anybody can easily get into the back seat area. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch. Great style, Ram badge. Handle right here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. So you got the running board and the handle. Fantastic. Tons of footroom, plenty of headroom, extra speakers up above connected to the Alpine sound system. Hooks up above so you can hang out nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled, so go ahead and use those. Adjustable headrests in the back seat too. Fold down armrest here with 2 big cup holders. The seats fold up very easily like this, and there's a fold out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage, and if you're not using it, easily fold it back like this, and there's tons of storage space underneath there. There's a clip here so you can secure it like so, and easily push this back down. 2 more cup holders down here in the middle. Directional air vents which you can easily adjust. 12-volt DC power outlet, a nice Ram badge. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat, and underneath this heavy duty mat here There is an insulated, removable in-floor storage area. You can put ice in there and keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold. And then if it gets dirty, you can remove it and clean it. Fantastic. This is where you put gasoline inside this Ram 1500. Come to the back here. This is just a gorgeous looking truck. Chrome bumper on the back is looking very nice. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices that you'd want the Ram 1500 to power up. Nice outdoorsman badge, Ram badge, 4x4 badge looking good. Backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right there. Open up the tailgate. There's spray and bed liner, and there's hooks in all four corners so you tie on your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. The box lights are up there. It is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. Come to the other side here. Those blacked out rims looking very nice. That running board, love it. I'll show you the other side of the back seat here. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Power window switch, nice place for an arm. Ram badge, great style. Handle on this side as well, so people can easily get in. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Underneath this heavy duty mat on this side, of course, there is an insulated, removable in-floor storage area. Stays nice and hidden under there. This side also flips up very easily, and there is the fold-out gate here. So you can put things underneath or on top for storage. And there's two cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch. Easily folds back. And underneath here is the subwoofer connected to the Alpine sound system, adding to the exceptional sound quality. And if you don't want people to see your subwoofer, not a problem. You can clip it up like that, and it is secure. Easily fold this back down. The interior lamp up above can also be used as a reading lamp. Just push it with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it will shut off. Front passenger side here. Storage down below with two cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, looking nice. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right here. Directional air vent, which you can close and open. Lower glove box here with a manual and some other goodies. Upper glove box here, more space for many different things. And there's a convenience light in there. Pocket on the side of the middle console. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools. And for safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. The Ram 1500 is a very safe truck to be in. And, of course, the handle here for whoever is going to be sitting in the front. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman, and here is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Nice Ram badge down the back. Using the key fob here, you can unlock the doors, get inside the Ram, go over to the right and push the key fob into the ignition. All you gotta do is turn it, and it starts right up. Check out all the gauges. Don't they just look great? Very nice to look at, and very easy on the eyes. And this Ram 1500 only has 94,254 kilometers on it. Not too shabby, so come down the Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be yours. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. There's your vehicle info area, tells you your oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, tire pressures for all four tires, transmission temperature, oil temperature, and back to your oil life. Fuel economy area lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. You can reset that very easily just by holding the button right there. There you go. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time in driving for. And you can easily reset one or both of those just by holding the button right there. Trailer tow area lets you know where the gain is set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case the Ram 1500 wants to tell you something. Screen set up here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. There's an outside thermometer, a compass, and blank spaces. Go in the screen set up here, you can customize the screen and have it show what you want to show. and back to the digital speedometer. And if I open any door on the Ram 1500, it will let you know which door on the truck is open. Nice big Ram badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. Is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Rotary style gear shifter here. And if I throw the Ram 1500 into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system right here. And if I turn the wheels, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. Very cool. Push button 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, driver and passenger heated seats. This truck also has a heated steering wheel, 115 volt AC power outlet, another great spot for some pens or packs of gum, just like that spot over there. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram 1500 to adjust your climate control for you. These are the physical controls. You can adjust your fan speed with this knob right here, driver's temperature, passenger temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost. This button here will turn on your heated mirrors, tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button, physical controls for the audio, back button to help you guide through your system. You have your hazards here. You can turn the screen off if you don't look at it, touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Directional air vents here in the middle, which you can close and open and close. A nice Ram badge, a little spot for some things. Logo for the Alpine sound system, auto dimming, rear view mirror, push button reading lamps up above here, switch for the rear sliding windows, easily open that up if you want to, programmable garage door opener right there, so set that up with your garage at home and you can open it up. Passenger sun visor comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights. Driver's side sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and both of them are breakaway. And here is the touchscreen Uconnect system with AM FM radio and Sirius XM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. You can adjust your audio, adjust your balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, and so much more right there. It tells you the song and the artist that's playing in the middle of the screen. You can easily set a preset by holding one of these boxes with your finger. Info bar up top tells you what temperatures are set at for both dual climate control, tells you the time, outside thermometer there, and there's also a compass. Seat buttons. Media button here, so if you have something in the USB port, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or something in the SD card port, go to the media center and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated seats, the heated steering wheel, and you have a mirror dimmer there as well. Climate controls here on the touchscreen, so cool. Just where you want the air to go, just your fan speed. You can sync and unsync the temperatures, set the temperature with just your finger, turn on the rear window defroster, and so much more. All there for you. Bluetooth area, where I like to pair a phone, that's okay. I'll let you connect a phone and make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone, make a call. You can do hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system here. And you can also access your phone book, view recent calls. Awesome. Settings here for the touchscreen Uconnect system and the Ram 1500, so you can customize this truck and have it the way that you want it to be. And on the left side of the steering wheel, there is a voice recognition button. Cancel.
Canceled.
Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice. Very cool. And you have a Bluetooth button here as well.
There are no phones connected. Connect a phone and try again.
So, using that button there, that'll assist you in answering calls that come through the Bluetooth system. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. Sure to come check out this Ram 1500 sometime soon. It's the 2015 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. There's a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. Come book a test drive at Crosstown Dodge today. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah!